Hi, Charmaine from Smarter Selling. Today's topic is results. So I want to ask yourself, when you look at your results, are they where you want them to be? Because if you continue to do the same thing you always have done, you're going to get the same results that you always have done. So ask yourself, what is it I need to be doing which I haven't done yet? And that gut feel should bring up a whole load of things for you. It might be investing myself in some training, be more observant of what my client's saying, maybe better asking questions, listing their needs. Are you observing and adapting to your client? Are you able to really put forward succinctly your solution? If you've got a team, do they know how to present with clarity and have a powerful presentation that leads to a piece of business? Do they have a growth mentality? Do they always think, how can I help this business move forward? Are they always thinking about their client, looking for add-ons, how to upsell? Are they good at negotiating? Are they masters at looking after objections, listening, asking questions and converting a sale? If you continue to do the same things, you are going to get the same results. So the question is, what do you need to do differently to get new results? So I would suggest do things like read lots of tips that we've got on here, read books, be open to learning, attend courses where you can learn of each other, find out what other people are doing in the office and say, how are they doing their business growth? If you'd like more tips on business growth, how to understand how to create opportunities, then subscribe below. And if you want to know more about our leadership course and our high sales techniques, then give us a call. I'm Charmaine from Smarter Selling. Until next time.